Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be planting out my potatoes. As you can see, I already have them in the grow bags. So I have a few varieties that I'll be growing this year, and I had put some bone meal in, and as you can see, we have some potatoes in here. These small potatoes came from last year's harvest. They survived the winter and I decided to replant them. I'm growing Kennebec this year, so I've spaced them out a maximum of 3 or 4 so that they wouldn't be fighting for any nutrients. I also have German Butterball that I'll be trying out this year. I also will be growing some Russet. A new variety will be Violet Queen. This is a purple potato. And at the end there I have some red Norland potatoes. Some of these are indeterminate potatoes. The Kennebec, the German Ball, and the Russet require hilling. So I have buried them a bit deep, and as it grows, I will continue to add soil to hill them. As for the Violet Queen and the Red Norland, they do not require hilling. Okay. Okay, I also wanted to mention the size of the grow bags that I'm using. These are all 20-gallon grow bags. And I have 20 of them. And for my experimental bin here that I am using, that plastic container there, that's a 10-gallon pot. But everything else is a 20-gallon grow bag. Okay. And the majority of potatoes are about 3 in the grow bag. Few of them have 4, and some really big ones, there's only 2. Okay guys, so now we've finished adding all the straw to each of the bags, and they are all gonna get a nice full watering, and we're all set for our potatoes for the 2026 season.